Hello friends, the name of the experiment is Human Respiratory System. For this experiment, we require a model of human respiratory system or charts and writing material. Observe the different parts of the human respiratory system. Note the structure of each part and the function that is undertaken. Understand the coordination of the functions that it carries out. Write the information about human respiratory system. Observations. Human respiratory system consists of following parts. The respiratory system begins with nasal passage, opening to outside by nares. The nasal passage opens into pharynx. The mouth also leads to the pharynx. There is a small flap like epiglottis that keeps the respiratory passage safe at the time of gulping. Pharynx at the end shows larynx, which has vocal cords. Later, it leads to trachea, which at the other end bifurcates into right and left bronchus. Each of these enter the lungs. Lung is the major vital organ in the thoracic cavity. Right and left lung are well protected in the thoracic cage. Each bronchus divides and redivides to form bronchioles. At the end of each bronchiole, there is alveolus. All the alveoli increase the surface of the lungs. In the alveolus, there is process of respiratory gaseous exchange. The muscular partition between thoracic and abdominal cavity is called diaphragm. This is essential for the breathing movements. Inference. Respiratory system of the human being is important and vital system for survival. Oxygen from alveoli goes into blood. From blood, it transports to all cells. Dissolved nutrients like glucose are slowly burned, oxidized with the help of oxygen and energy release in the form of ATP. In addition, waste material like carbon dioxide and water vapors are produced.